इनलैंड वाटरवेज के सेक्टर में ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस बढ़ाने के लिए पिछले 10 वर्षों में केंद्र सरकार द्वारा अनेक रिफॉर्म्स किए गए हैं।
Modi government has taken a bold leap to transform India's transport sector by harnessing its inland waterways. The National Waterways Act of 2016 declared 111 waterways across 24 states as national waterways, giving a major boost to inland water transport, that is IWT. By prioritizing the development of 26 viable waterways, Modi government aims to enhance connectivity, trade and regional growth. A key milestone in this transformation is the development of the Dharma-Paradeep Mangalagadi Pankapal stretch in Odisha, spanning 233 km under National Waterways 5. This effort is a part of an expansive plan to integrate states through efficient water transport networks. Under the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, cargo movement has surged sixfold since 2013-14, with total traffic rising from 29.16 million metric tons in financial year 2014-15 to 133.03 million metric tons in financial year 2023-24. Operational waterways have increased from just 3 in 2014 to 26 in 2024. Modi government is working to meet an ambitious 200 MMT cargo traffic target by 2030, aligning with the Maritime India Vision 2030. Under the Maritime Amrit Kal Vision, a staggering 500 MMT cargo target has been set for 2047, showcasing a clear roadmap for sustained growth. PM Modi ji's commitment extends beyond cargo movement. Rupees 45,000 crore has been earmarked for river cruise tourism development. Of this, rupees 35,000 crore is dedicated to cruise vessels and rupees 10,000 crore for terminals, enhancing tourism and creating new economic opportunities. The flagship Jal Marg Vikas project for the Ganga Bhagirathi Hooghly river system further exemplifies this vision. The project focuses on cargo transport, Ro-Ro services and passenger ferries, while uplifting local communities through jetties. Under the leadership of PM Modi, India's waterways are being transformed into dynamic engines of economic growth. This historic push for inland water transport is connecting states, spurring commerce and bringing prosperity to millions.